Looking for the best commercial ice maker machines in 2026?
In this video, we will showcase the top ice makers designed for restaurants, cafes, bars, hotels, offices, and other high-demand environments. We will compare performance, ice production capacity, durability, energy efficiency, and overall value to help you choose the right machine for your business. Stay tuned to discover our top picks, and do not forget that links in the description. Number 5. The Coolake Commercial Ice Maker IM90SXB is a powerful and practical solution for anyone who needs a dependable supply of ice for a home bar, outdoor kitchen, restaurant, cafe, or entertainment space. With the ability to produce up to 200 pounds of ice every 24 hours and store up to 55 pounds in its built-in bin, this machine is designed to keep up with high demand while maintaining consistent performance. One of its standout features is its high-capacity production system. The machine can create approximately 225 ice cubes per hour and around 5,400 cubes per day, making it an excellent choice for busy environments. Each batch is produced in about 12 minutes, ensuring a steady supply of fresh ice whenever needed. Another major advantage is the air-cooled efficiency system. By using external air for heat dissipation, the unit operates reliably without depending on a specific water source location for cooling. This design helps reduce downtime and supports smooth daily operation, especially in commercial settings where consistency is essential. The easy maintenance design further enhances its value. The self-cleaning function, removable filter, accessible service panels, and durable stainless steel construction make upkeep simple and cost-effective. These features help maintain cleaner ice while extending the machine's lifespan. The ice produced is clear, full-sized, and slow-melting, making it ideal for beverages without quickly diluting flavor. Included accessories such as the ice scoop, filter, and water supply kit add convenience right out of the box. Overall, the Coolake IM90SXB delivers excellent performance, durability, and ease of use, making it a smart investment for reliable ice production. Number 4. The Velivi Commercial Ice Maker WQJR144WF is an excellent choice for businesses and homeowners who require a large and dependable supply of ice. Designed for either built-in or freestanding installation, this machine combines impressive production capacity with user-friendly features and durable construction. Whether it is used in a restaurant, bar, cafe, hotel, or entertainment area, it delivers reliable performance throughout the day. One of the biggest highlights is its massive ice production capability. The machine can produce up to 450 pounds of ice every 24 hours and creates 144 crystal clear ice cubes in just 12 to 20 minutes per cycle. This impressive output ensures a constant supply of fresh ice, even during peak demand periods. The spacious storage bin can hold up to 77 pounds of ice, reducing the need for frequent monitoring. Another standout feature is its smart LCD controls. The intuitive control panel provides access to functions such as self-cleaning, defrosting, time reservation, intelligent temperature control, and status indicators for water levels, ice storage, and system performance. These features make operations simple and help maintain efficient performance. The durable construction further enhances its value. Built with a heavy-duty stainless steel exterior, food-grade interior liner, and thick insulation layer, the machine is designed for long-term reliability. The premium water filter helps create cleaner, clearer, and harder ice cubes, while the energy-efficient compressor and R290 refrigerant contribute to lower power consumption and quieter operation. Overall, the Velivi WQJR144WF offers exceptional ice production, advanced controls, and sturdy construction, making it an outstanding investment for anyone needing a high-capacity commercial ice maker. Number 3. The HAVATO WFZ58160 Commercial Ice Maker is a powerful and efficient solution designed for restaurants, bars, hotels, catering businesses, and other high-demand environments. With its impressive production capacity, user-friendly controls, and durable construction, this freestanding ice maker is built to deliver a steady supply of crystal clear ice throughout the day. One of its most impressive features is high-capacity production. The machine can produce up to 400 pounds of ice daily and generates up to 160 ice cubes per cycle in as little as 11 to 20 minutes. This allows businesses to maintain a constant supply of ice even during peak operating hours. The large storage bin can hold a substantial amount of ice, ensuring availability whenever it is needed. Another key advantage is its easy operation system. The multifunction control panel provides a clear display of operating conditions and includes helpful features such as automatic cleaning, reservation settings, temperature monitoring, full ice alerts, and low water alarms. These intelligent functions simplify operation and reduce the amount of time spent on maintenance and monitoring. The machine also stands out for its premium clear ice production. It creates full cube ice that is crystal clear, dense, and slow melting. This style of ice is highly desirable for beverages because it preserves drink quality while providing an attractive presentation. The uniform cube shape is ideal for restaurants, bars, and hospitality settings where appearance and performance matter. Complete with an ice scoop and water supply kit, the HAVATO WF-Z58160 offers reliability, convenience, and exceptional ice-making performance. It is an excellent investment for businesses seeking a dependable commercial ice maker with strong output and easy day-to-day operation. Number 2. The Coolake Commercial Ice Maker K350 is a high-performance ice production system designed for restaurants, hotels, churches, catering services, grocery stores, and other businesses that require a dependable supply of ice. Combining a powerful ice-making head with a large 360-pound storage bin, this machine delivers outstanding productivity and convenience for demanding commercial environments. One of its strongest features is high-volume production. The machine is capable of producing up to 450 pounds of full dice ice every day, ensuring that even busy operations have access to a constant supply of fresh ice. The generous 360-pound storage capacity allows businesses to keep a large reserve on hand, reducing the risk of running out during peak hours. Another key benefit is the advanced filtration system. Equipped with an upgraded water filter that uses food-grade coconut shell activated carbon, the machine helps reduce impurities, lead, and unwanted odors from the water supply. This results in cleaner, better-tasting ice while also helping to minimize scale buildup and extend the lifespan of the unit. The user-friendly controls make operations simple and efficient. The intuitive LCD control panel clearly displays the ice-making process and system status. Users can easily adjust ice thickness and production settings, while the built-in diagnostic system continuously monitors performance to ensure reliable operation. The air-cooled condenser design contributes to lower operating costs by reducing water consumption and improving energy efficiency. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included filter, hoses, tape, and leveling feet. With fast ice production, durable construction, and reliable performance, the Coolake K350 is an excellent investment for businesses seeking a powerful and cost-effective commercial ice-making solution. Number 1. The Coolake K450 Commercial Ice Maker is a powerful and dependable solution for businesses that require a large and continuous supply of ice. Designed for restaurants, hotels, catering services, event venues, and busy food service operations, this freestanding ice maker combines impressive production capacity with user-friendly features and efficient operation. One of the most notable advantages is its massive ice production capability. Using advanced ice-making technology, the machine can produce up to 550 pounds of clear full dice ice every day. With production cycles ranging from just 5 to 15 minutes, it delivers fresh ice quickly and consistently. The spacious 360-pound storage bin ensures that a substantial reserve of ice is always available, even during peak business hours. Another standout feature is the advanced water filtration system. The included premium filter uses food-grade activated carbon to help reduce impurities, unwanted odors, and chemical contaminants in the water. This results in cleaner, clearer ice cubes that enhance the taste and presentation of beverages. The filtration system also helps reduce scale buildup, contributing to a longer lifespan for the machine. The easy maintenance design makes daily operation convenient. A one-button automatic cleaning function helps keep internal pipes and trays clean, ensuring odor-free ice production while reducing maintenance time. The intuitive LCD control panel allows users to monitor the ice-making process, adjust ice thickness, and manage settings with ease. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included water filter, inlet hose, drain hoses, tape, and stable feed. Combined with its air-cooled condenser system, which lowers operating costs and improves energy efficiency, the Coolake K450 delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and value for demanding commercial environments. That wraps up our list of the best commercial ice maker machines in 2026. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect ice maker for your business needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides. Let us know your favorite model in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.